Hi guys, my name's Mrs Craven and I teach geography at Royds Hall. So today I'm going to tell you a bit about GCSE geography. So geography is a focus within the curriculum for understanding and resolving global issues. So it's important that we understand the link between the natural and social sciences. Through geography we do learn to appreciate the diversity of landscapes, people and cultures. So geography does require a range of skills including the ability to write extended answers, interpret sources, recall case studies, which we use a lot of, complete investigations and show numerical and statistical skills such as like mean, median, mode and the range. So for that reason, everyone can access geography, but it is extremely challenging. So I've put on the slide here just a little breakdown of paper 1. So for GCSE geography, there are 3 papers. The paper 1 and paper 2 are 35% of your overall grade, and paper 3 is 30% of your overall grade. So paper 1 looks at physical geography. So in year 7 you should have looked at the different types of geography, the first one being physical geography, which we're going to look at here. So we look at the challenge of natural hazards, the living world and physical landscapes in the UK, which we look at rivers and coasts. So when we're looking at challenge of natural hazards, we look at earthquakes and volcanoes, which you should have done in year 8, and also looking at tropical storms, which you might have touched on in year 7, looking at weather, as well as climate change. When we look at the living world, we focus on tropical rainforests, looking at the Amazon rainforest, and then moving on to hot deserts. So we're aware of different biomes, also something that you should have come across in year 7. And like I said, physical landscapes in the UK, we look at rivers and coasts, which you might have looked at in year 8 during your water and ice topic. Throughout all the exam questions and all the exam papers, there are geographical skills. So that might be understanding the distribution on the map, or like I said, working out maths skills such as median and mode or range. So that is a written exam. It's an hour and 30 minutes. 3 of those marks include spelling, punctuation, and grammar, and it's 18 marks in total. The next paper looks at human geography. So like I said, going back to your types of geography, we've got human geography as well. So this is looking at urban issues and challenges, which links to what you did in year 8, looking at urban areas. Then changing economic world, how the UK economy has changed over time, and then the challenge of resource management, an overview of different types of resources such as food, energy and water, and then focusing on one a bit clearer. Again, geographical skills are assessed throughout this. It is another hour and 30-minute exam with 18 marks, including 3 marks for spelling, punctuation and grammar, up for grabs as well. Like I said before, that's 35% of your GCSE. And then your last one is a geographical applications one. So this is an issue evaluation along with field work. So we hope to go out and complete the field work. That is a requirement of the course if COVID allows it. So we look at different field work. We undertake a physical and human geography field work. And then in the paper there is also like an unknown field work. So you'll be commenting on someone else's field work. There is also a pre-release booklet which is made available 12 weeks before the paper 3 exam. We will look into that. It will be some sort of issue. So the previous one was looking at should a road be built through the middle of the Amazon rainforest, and then you needed to discuss that points for and against and interpret some of the material, whether that was a line graph, a pie chart, to be able to answer the questions. So you get that 12 weeks before the exam, and then you get a fresh copy during the exam. That is a bit shorter, that one exam. It's an hour and 15 minutes and 76 marks, including 6 which are spelling, punctuation and grammar, making up 30% of your GCSE. So that's it for how it's assessed. I just wanted to draw your attention to the fact that geography is in the news all the time. We do like to include recent topics in our lessons. So looking at the biggest companies and contributing to climate change is a really good example here. So this links to lessons in year 7 and 9, but also GCSE, looking at natural hazards and looking at climate change. Also the weather that we've had the last few weeks, the storm Curry and storm Malik, that will come into our extreme weather in the UK, also in paper 1. So that was just a quick run through of what we study in geography and the exams that you would sit if you did choose to take geography. If you do have any questions, feel free to email me. My email is abigail.craven@sharemag.co.uk. Thank you very much.